Has your machine ever stopped working at the worst possible time? Does your packaging equipment need servicing? Do you need emergency repairs? Simply contact our TigerPak service department by phone, email or online. We have a fully equipped workshop with all the resources needed for any repairs. At TigerPak, we provide our customers with servicing you can trust. Our professional technicians have over 25 years of experience in mechanical and electrical servicing of all warehouse machinery. We provide servicing for all makes and models. We also specialise in preventive maintenance programs, integrations and installations, spare parts, on-site servicing and emergency repairs. Our friendly team can provide flexible learning and training options for tools and equipment while your machinery is being serviced to make sure you're always up and running. Our experts have a high attention to detail and we will go above and beyond to make sure your needs are met. Remember, quality servicing reduces your costs and ensures you have no technical issues in the long run. Book a service with TigerPak anytime, and no matter how big or small the task, our technicians are on their way.